Hi, a very good morning children. Happy Tuesday all of you. A warm welcome to the new session. On Tuesday which subject you have? According to the timetable, on Tuesday you have EVS subject and the topic is about which topic we were discussed in the previous class children? About the topic delicious food. Yes, we have completed the worksheet, right, which they have given in your textbook. In the previous class, we have completed the worksheet, activity sheets, right? Yes, and which class are you all children? First standard. Yes, the topic name is delicious food, variety of food. Delicious food. And the day is Tuesday. Date 21/9/2021. See, date is also 21. Year is also 21, right? 2021. Date is 21. The month of this, which month is running now? September. That is nothing but 9th month. Okay. Fine. The topic is about delicious food. In the previous class, we have completed the lesson explanation, also completed, worksheet activity also completed, which they have given in your textbook. Clear? I hope everyone are completed all the worksheets. Fine. And today I will explain the lesson number 5 also children, because the lesson number 5 is also having the same topic. Do we need food? Do we need food? Yes, we need food. Without food we cannot live, right? Yes, the lesson name is do we need food. In this lesson also same content. So I am going to merge both lesson number 4 delicious food and this one do we need food. In this lesson also same content they have given. Okay, we need food to live. From food we get energy. From the energy we can work and play. We can do various work. We can play, we can work, all kinds of work, right? Yes, there are 3 classifieds are there in the food. Different food helps us in different ways. The different foods are energy giving food, protective food and bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food helps us to grow. Protective food helps us prevents from falling sick. It fight against from the diseases. Next, the last one is energy giving food. Energy giving foods gives us energy to work and play. Okay, this is the different types of food helps us in different ways. Okay, then 3 meals of the day are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day. The first meal of the day is called breakfast, and we get food from plants and animals. Some of the animals gives us milk, like cow and buffalo gives us milk. Honeybee gives us honey. Then hen gives us eggs. Some people eat both veg and non-veg items like flesh of goat, cock and fish and eggs they eat. Those people are called non-vegetarian people. Some of the people eat only plant obtained products. Those people are called vegetarian people. Clear? Okay, then food eating habits. What are the food eating habits we need to follow while eating? We should not supposed to talk while taking food. We should rinse our mouth after and before the meal. We should wash our hands after and before the meal. We should maintain a table manners. Always we should eat with our family members. We should take food with our family members. We should not supposed to waste the food. Right? Yes, we should eat more vegetables and fruits. Then we should drink plenty of water. Okay? Then we should not supposed to talk. Then what are the eating habits we need to follow? These are the food eating. We should avoid junk food. We should eat more vegetables and fruits. These are the food habits we need to follow. We should not supposed to skip our meals. We should eat our food. We should take our food in a regular intervals. If we follow these food habits, definitely we will not fall into sick. Okay, fine. In this 5th lesson, do we need food? One poem they have given. Sing and enjoy. I found him sitting on the couch before I went to bed. He seemed so tired without food. And this is what I said. Go friend, eat your dinner right and see, you will sure feel bright. He then ate rice and dal and grains which made him bright and strong. Sing and enjoy one more poem. Fruits, veggies, milk and cheese. Eat them every day. It's good for health and makes you fit. Yes, already we have studied, right? Yes. Observe this picture. Chapati picture they have given. Ragi lump picture they have given. Milk picture they have given. Eggs picture they have given. Fruit picture they have given. This is meat picture they have given. Then Ridge Guards picture they have given. This is banana and the last one carrot. First one chapati. Chapati is a energy giving food. Okay. Then ragi lump is also energy giving food. Milk is a bodybuilding food. Eggs also bodybuilding food. Apple is a protective food. Chicken means meat is a bodybuilding food. Then Ridge Guard is a Hirekai. Ridge Guard is a protective food. Banana is a protective food. Carrot can be eaten raw, right? Yes, this is also protective food. Next, we need food to be healthy and strong. Yes or no, children? To stay healthy and strong, we need food. Not only human beings, even birds, animals also need food. All the living beings. Then to grow, we need food. We need food for the growth to our body. Yes. Then we get energy to work from food. From energy giving food, we get energy. Do you know why we need food? To get energy, to stay healthy, to grow, we need food. Yes or no, children? Finally, without food, we cannot live. That statement, yes, exactly. We can say. Without food, without water, we cannot live. Okay, children, fine. Now, I am going to give you some keywords regarding the topic delicious food. Write down, open your EVS classwork and be ready with your eraser and pencil. Start writing. The heading is keywords. K-E-Y, key words. W-O-R-D-S. Keywords. First one, write down energy. Energy. You have to learn, children. Kalibeku. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Next, bodybuilding food. B-O-D-Y. Body. Put one small icon like this. Body building means to grow. We need bodybuilding food. B-O-D-Y body. Put on small icon. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G building. Bodybuilding. Next, protective. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V-E. Protective. Protective. Next, muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S. Muscles. If we eat bodybuilding food, our muscles will become strong. Fifth one, diseases means kayagalu. Write down D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Diseases. Protective food helps us to fight against from the diseases. Write down. Next, pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. Kaalalu. Pulses. Seventh one, balanced diet. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D-D-I-E-T. The food what we are going to take for our breakfast, for dinner, for lunch, right? We should take it in a right quantity, right amount of quantity food we should take. So the balanced diet keeps us healthy and fit. Okay. Balanced diet over. Next, 8th one, junk food. Junk, junk food. FOOD. We should avoid junk food. We should not supposed to eat junk food. Junk food is nothing but gobi, pani puri, pizza, burger. Okay, we should avoid junk food. It is a unhealthy food. JUNKFOOD, junk food. Next, healthy. HEALTHY, healthy. To stay healthy, we should eat healthy food. We should take more vegetables and fruits in our breakfast, in our lunch, in our dinner. Healthy over. Next, breakfast. The first meal of the day is called breakfast. FAST. Breakfast. 11th one. You have to learn all these words. These words only comes for the main like missing letters and rearrange the letters. Clear? You have to learn all the spelling of these words. Breakfast. Next, lunch. LUNCH. The food what we take for the afternoon time, right? That is called lunch. Next, the last meal of the day, that is dinner. 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 Next, vegetarian. Some people eat only plant obtained product, right? Those people are called vegetarian. I'll say the spelling once. VEGETARIAN. Vegetarian. Non-vegetarian means they eat both plant obtained product as well as meat also. Okay. Next, cucumber. 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 The 15th one is carrot. CARROT. Sure. The question will become like name two vegetable that can be eaten raw. You have to write cucumber and carrot. Okay. If you know the spelling of radish, beetroot, yes, you can write. The easy spelling of two vegetables, that is can be eaten raw, that is cucumber and carrot. CARROT, carrot. CUCUMBER, cucumber. Clear? Okay, next. 16th one. Grow. GROW. To grow healthy, we need to eat. To grow, which type of food we should take? Bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food helps us to grow and keeps our muscle strong. Okay. Grow. Write down GROW. Grow. Next. Eating habits. Eating habits. HABITS. Eating habits means we have to follow some eating habits. Daily 2 times we have to brush. After the meal and before the meal we should wash our hands. Then we should maintain a table manners. We should not supposed to waste the food. We should serve the food as much as you need, you require. Okay, simply don't waste the food. Then we should not supposed to talk while eating. We should drink plenty of water. Then we should eat more healthy food like fruits and vegetables. We should avoid junk food. These are the eating habits we need to follow. Write down eating habits. Then jaggery. 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 2 more is there. Jaggery is the energy giving food. Bella. Next, sugar. SUGAR. Write to energy giving food. Sugar and jaggery you have to write. Okay, you have to write. Easily you can remember. Next, fruits. Fruits and vegetables are the protective food. Fruits and vegetables are the protective food. Okay. These are the 20 hard words I have given children. One more write down 21. That is vegetables. VEGETABLES. G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. You have to learn all the 21 hard words which I have given. Okay? These words only comes for the main like real in the words and missing letters. You have to learn. By these words only you can write more answers for the questions. Okay? If you learn these words means to write the answers for the answer to the following questions, easily you can write the answer, because the question answers will be one word answer. If you learn these words means it will be easy for you only. Okay? The question will be like what is the first meal of the day is called? Breakfast. If you learn the breakfast spelling, easily you can write. The last meal of the day is called dinner. Okay, then some people eat only plant-obtained products. Those people are called vegetarians. See, one word answer I am going to give you. Some of the vegetables name just write down, which we can be eaten raw: cucumber and carrot. Write protective foods, fruits and vegetables. Write to energy giving food, jaggery and sugar. These are the questions only you will get. Okay, so you have to learn all the words, children. And the first one, energy. Say along with me once. Energy, body building, protective, muscles, diseases, pulses, balanced diet, junk food, healthy, breakfast, lunch, dinner, vegetarian, cucumber, carrot, grow, eating habits, jaggery, sugar, fruits, vegetables. These are the 15 odd words I have given to learn and write. You have to learn and you have to write. In classwork one time, in homework one time. After completing classwork and homework, in rough book you have to practice. Clear? Thank you. In the next session I am going to give you the notes regarding the topic delicious food. Until that, learn all the words which I have given in this session. Bye bye.